Hi guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for a Dell XPS 159510 laptop. So in Windows, either restart the laptop, or if it's switched off, power on the laptop, and then what you need to do is keep your finger on F2 key until Windows restarts. So now keep tapping the F2 key, guys. Yes guys, the F2 key, keep tapping it and you will soon enter BIOS configuration settings, as you can see from here. I will now exit BIOS, press the escape key. Now I will enter boot menu option. Keep tapping the F12 key, guys. So now we've entered boot menu. So let me zoom in, this key here guys, the F12. As you can see, I have now entered boot menu option. So you've got many options here. So on this side here, you can select which device you want to boot from. I hope this video tutorial helps. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.